yes, in this old house I spent a lot of time. Here there is a special ghost in this house. It's a very nice ghost. He's called Isaac. He has been very good lately. I think he liked the things we have been doing here, I have been doing here. So, just like to look around, and I hope that he appreciated that he gets worldwide now. So in this area I spent a lot of my childhood years. I didn't like it all the time though, because I always was thinking about to be here. It's a lot of work. Well, but today I do appreciate it. So far I don't just have the time to be here, or the power, energy, not so tired. This little lake, there's a lot of fish. It's little fish, I think. I don't know, but I see there's a lot of them jumping down there. I feel the mosquitoes in my head too. Well, that's a part of life. Haha. So, now we have been around. See, there's to see a little cabin in, I guess it'll be something about the middle of the pictures. There's some people from somewhere else.